You for your ambition. Almighty One as your foundation. Nobody get rich and switch because that's definitely wrong. Now make it, don't forget your friends and where you come from. If you a thief, so supreme, now sleep. And although you rob a clash and you get well last week, but laugh out the street, but you be ongoing steep. Jake a silent river and Jah know him run deep. Throughout history, lots of great men and women. You went about things the old-fashioned way, and you just kept on winning. Strive, step up in life and go for what you know. Love you.
What's supreme?
That is a man who peer in real way in a reggae music. All who love and real shine it again, make some bumba. Alright, hold it. We never cuss it. We never cuss it, Johnny. We never finish. Mr. Dip up and hold it. Jabba, you ready for play? Me the tennis when me done. 1 and 2 forward, I'm gonna left a massive B, you know. You have to just scrape around it. People! Soul Supreme is a great song. Enough people never rate and love that song here, but God give me a gift and Uno accept it. Can I play a song where the whole of Uno make turn number 1? Listen it.
You don't know such a big bad song, Soul Supreme. Easy the tune of the
Shabba! You can't get back this.
I know Shabba can leave you and chronic, so I'm like a singer. I mean, come in everything. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
New York! Alright, don't you?
Some call it Spanish Town, but this is New York rap. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is Soul Supreme rap. Them days.
Mighty Crown! You don't live near Jamaica. Or you come from De La Vega. Yeah, yeah.
Grew up in a place called New York City. The born a Brooklyn rockin'. Round a 50s area.
Watch it, please, chick,
please. So supreme, we hail from a place called New York City. They were a Brooklyn groovy. When we play, everybody nice. La 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 la, El Jaman. Jamaica, we born, Brooklyn, we come from. From your looking at we face, you see a real Jamaica.
Ace! Monkey! You shoot and me never in trouble here. Me don't know why A1 pick it up. See you took it. Yeah, people, this is what sound system should be like. Alive? This is what sound system should be like. We just know what we are doing. Alright now. We have 2 more songs left. But this kind of tricky for me now. Cause America me there. And you know the place. And you know we are Jamaica and we home more.
So we have it take with time. For all who say the fish they've been in at 9 years. So many years.
My dogs, set rules, set laws. We represent for the lords of yards. I got a load of feel up.
From them a car in a kitchen man. Give me fire, make we. From them a drink in a kitchen man.
I won't put no matter on you to kill it up. I won't put no even up. Ready?
Coachy load from in the land. See the basket.
Hey, Jabba, it's yours. It's yours, Jabba. People!
GX! No, I'm here for GX one more time. I saw the Supreme song. I'm here it!
Johnny!
GX to see you!
Hey, that is what you call intelligent selective.
Entertainment and
Johnny, all him brave, you know. Yeah. Can you see me with my little visa?
Yeah.
My name like all out of my mouth.
You can't
just leave it alone.
You have to leave it alone.
But make some noise for Soul Supreme one more time, man.
Yes.
You get music, you get drama, you get comedy,
Look
you
here.
get so many things.
Floyd?
Yeah. service announcement.
Really?
Yes, I do. I'd like to let you know that if you're parked on the grass, just outside of this venue, your car is possibly gonna be towed. That's the word from the NYPD. So please, if you're parked on the grass, just outside here, we're gonna move your vehicle right now.
And the possible will be towed.
It will be.
The tow truck is out there already.
Okay, you see what
Just giving them little time to move it.
Yeah, we're giving them a good time.
And if you don't remember your license plate or you borrow the car,
Yeah.
we'll prepare and come back.
Flying!
Yeah!
You know what's a good thing, the Olympics coming up, don't it?
Yes.
And you see, Jamaica will be represented fully by the big man himself. For those who know them, love, I represent the legend right now. Usain Bolt, let me see someone go up in the air, so.
Yeah!
All Jamaica don't go around the thing, you know.
Cause we are yardies.
Straight up. Mr. Fly, that thing reached me last Olympics.
Yeah?
Then the house a being flying.
Yeah.
Yes, man, and the whole family out the door watch TV. You know it already?
Yeah.
And the 200 meter race a run flying.
And the big race on it.
The big race with Bolt, Weir, and the boy named the beast in it. I'm flying, the race and run and me and the excitement. I'm just grab a toe and run out of the bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm flying, me say when the race and run, me say 1, 2, 3, Jamaica win the race. And me start jump and say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The whole house a jump flying.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, me alone a jump. I just feel a cool breeze. Now the towel up on the ground flying. Here my mother-in-law, tap. Take up your 1, 2, 3 and go back in the bathroom. You hear me?
Yeah.
A sound fest with the flying.
Yeah.
The people them say they want to hear some big sound play. Don't say a word.
Yeah.
Don't say a word, don't master.
Yeah.
The people them say they want to hear big sound play.
Alright, let's give them a shot. Yeah man, we do the car then.
One more time.
Alright, so we have Jabba coming up.
Who coming up?
Jabba
Alright.
and Massive B.
Who run about? Who not play?
We have the big belly man, Sky Juice.
Sky Juice not play yet.
We have Joseph from Renaissance.
Renaissance not play yet.
We have Mighty Crown.
Mighty Crown not play yet.
We have the Immortal Stone Love.
Alright.
We have the mentally ill
Tony
Masteron. And of course,
the Boom Sound Clash winner. For this year, people who watch the Boom Sound Clash from New York City right now, Johnny Knight hosts it. I know say this year, next year, I'm bother. Who will say win the Boom Sound Clash? Fire Links! Alright, then the
alright, again, remember to remove your vehicle if you park on the lawn. The police are there and they're very serious about it. Johnny!
Flying, I want to tell you this. Maybe I reason about this dinner there.
Yeah.
People when you're in Jamaica, I will watch what go on foreign.
Yeah.
It don't look good. I'm going to talk to everybody right now. You see, black people, we the black people, we have to know, so look here now, we have to just love each other and take care of each other.
That's right.
Fly every time, them kill the next black youth, them start about black and black crime.
Yeah.
You understand me? I use that as an example, so that's why police always have to be wary. People take care of your communities and love your communities and make sure you spread peace within us. So them can't use what we do and talk about you. You understand?
That's why I love my little island Jamaica.
Alright.
Because you see Jamaica, Johnny,
yeah,
you can survive. Worse if you live in the so-called ghetto, the garrison.
Talk to me.
Johnny, what day you go? A wall time.
Oh, you cry, sir. You cry?
It's emotional.
You get emotional?
Stop at one shop.
What to you?
I see one ghetto girl walking. And you know, for them walking different.
Walk like a fly.
When them come in, them just stand up and be here. Sandra.
Them try everything.
Sell me 4 crackers.
Oh, God.
Out of the bag of crackers. 4 crackers. You can buy 4 crackers in the ghetto.
You know, say true you attack fly.
Yeah.
People, you know, say you must survive a ghetto. The other day, my brother come out and me out with him towel over his shoulder and him toothbrush. I'm see him walk towards the shop. And I say, what, my general? Your bathroom, around the bathroom, I say, no, man, Johnny, ease yourself, man. Now buy a squeeze of toothpaste.
1 squeeze of toothpaste in the ghetto.
$10.
Johnny, but you know why I love ghetto people?
Yeah.
Ghetto people have a thing when name Redworks.
Oh, gosh.
Just when they polish the floor and they touch all the table foot, them not try rub it off, because it look like style.
See one knee they were used to use Redwork. Oh, God. Call on the next song.
All right.
Call on the next song. Call on the next song.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
For the Massive B. Massive B.
Featuring
Jabba.
Soundfest. Big up the whole of Queens. Anybody from Queens there? Anybody from Long Island there? Anybody from Jersey there? Anybody from the Bronx there? Damn. So I say, a 90s, 50s, Vanderveer, Parkside, East New York, Crown Heights, Bed-Stuy, Brownsville. The whole of Brooklyn there. Any Guyanese in our building? Alright, 10 Guyanese people. Love the whole of them. Any Asian inside here? One Asian. Sabotage, you see it? The whole never work. So no bother with it. Anybody from Barbados in our place? Do we have any Americans in our place? Alright, Barbacondas, such as plan. Can you hear? There's no other island inside here. There's no Americans in here. A beer town and country Jamaicans. All proud Jamaicans putting it to one of the year right now. If you're dirty and over and know big music, who are the hell them there, John? Let me play a big song inside here. I don't know you grew up listening to great music. Real music around here. A man can't trick me upon this. Monkey, let me show you do it and not spend the money. If you're proud Jamaican, sing it. Hands up.
Many rivers to cross.
All proud Jamaicans.
But I can't seem to find my way over.
They can't check me.
Wondering I am lost.
Jamaica.
As I travel along.
Bobby, you know the greatest thing about Jamaica? When you touch off on a plane there, and you change all the money, and you go for, if you're not in a car, and you get a rental car, and you have a place named Cockburn Pen, and him named Kiki, him sells some $1,000 bag, the youths them there. I don't know you burn the highest grade of weed, I know Jamaica have the baddest weed. 200 in the year, Jamaica! I don't know you burn the highest. Me say from your burn the highest. Me not easy. Me calm. Gonna sound chat. Big up our herbalist on fire in here. What is what you done? Every herbalist. Tune, Bobby. Them say who God bless now but never curse. I don't know you no bad mind. Get some man wave right now. But you no bad mind. Get some man wave. Sound best.
Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing.
May they play Babacandas. Don't stop it.
Singing don't worry
No rush. This is sound
about a
best.
thing.
Stop master. Watch my style.
Wanna be on
From the give thanks in life.
rise up this morning.
Wanna sing it.
Smile with the rising sun. Freely before my door.
Oingo.
Singing sweet songs
What kind of song?
of melodies pure and true. Singing
When me driving a my car, police can't trouble me. Me have my ganja on me. Me now walk with no gun, Mr. Officer. New York City ganja legalized. Drop me song. Me say me a play some tune for the big people them. Listen. Hear me the man say. Ready?
A chapter a day,
Hold on, the man.
keep the devil away.
Bobby got that sense song. I don't hear Jacob Miller right now. I don't hear Jacob Miller. Me a play some big people tune. Fierce, big up yourself. Hold on now. Do not be.
Get up in the morning, saving for rest,
Turn it over.
so that every
If you
man
turn it
can
music. When me that grow, I remember VHS and beta. Big up all the people who know you have a VHS in your house. This is one of the baddest movie ever make out of Jamaica. Better than Shatters. You know me attack? You know me attack? Me say me a play some different kind of setting. People. No, sir.
Waiting for me when I die. But between the day you're born and when you die, they never seem to hear even your cry.
Sing it.
So as sure as the sun will shine,
Now play my 15.
I'm gonna get my share now. What's mine?
Yo.
And in the order they come,
Neil Diamond, don't fret. Don't fret. Pull up. Don't fret, Neil. You know how we do things. This is Soundfest. Whole heap of sound for play. Baba Condas. Let's have some of them massive beats still now.
Garnet Silk for the Silky Voice man, for the Badacondo sound. Massive sound.
All the way Garnet Silk. If you have love for Garnet Silk, put the hand in here right now.
We've come a
All the way Garnet Silk. Two one up there. Hey.
Watch this.
no sound, no sound,
Hear me, the man.
no sound, no sound can defeat us.
Level.
No sound can defeat us.
Level.
Massive is dangerous. No.
If you know you believe in a God, put your right hand on here right now. All who say love and I play. Wish you for the believe in Almighty God, put your right hand on here right now. I'm gonna call us a statue of president. If you read the Bible right now. Micah. Pull up. Stop. What? Oh, they said they need an ambulance. Oh, what is for my soul? Why me? The man say he stop the music because somebody need an ambulance. That's why he stop the music. Why me? Then who will be at work now, but make a man know say my time stop. Then send them off to stop the music because they need an ambulance. Big up Lammy, you know. Original general, you know. You good now? Then pick her up. You good now? You see it? Oh, you if you come a park show. You see that's the problem enough for the man living in business. Them don't know the girlish thing, you know. The man come a park show with a next woman and his baby mother inside her seat and drop down. Big fear. We don't need that boot boy. John Bobby Condas.
Rastafari live every time we support this man say that get nothing.
Are you Rastaman?
Let me hear you allow massive sound.
If you know your praise Almighty, I say you business and I say I the great emperor.
Rule the whole world, rule the entire city, that's the greatest king.
Level. Me no business what nobody wants say. This is one of the baddest Buju Bantan ever make. All the real Buju Bantan. Put your hand in the air. Level.
Massive be the driver.
Me say no sabotage. And that's what I'm.
Can't get scratched up. All is in China, that massive be sound come. Jump on sound, get it back.
Me say no be in the gaga man. Say no. Massive be tell me no. Oh, massive. Level. We couldn't come up here and play Buru Bantan. Bobby that drop down. All the original Buru Bantan gun on the the air for Borough. Wheel on now.
Massively.
If you're here in Borough Mountain,
Remember,
get out.
remember,
All the way in Borough. Level. Me a only for Bunty player. If you know say Bunty Killer one of the baddest DJ out of Jamaica, on the bus be a gunshot inside there. All the way Bunty Killer. From your the killer. I'm going to plenty. Bobby send June. Send on Bunty and go like a one. Informer boy.
Your boss.
Informer boy.
I got your spider feed and a shot in on them.
Bunty Killer. One on the man. Level. Alright. Bobby, you shouldn't play that song there, but it have to play. The kids have been in the crowd and we know the police carry on. All the men know you're straight. Bobby know you're straight. 200 on the air. Bobby, me never want you going in that lane there. You can't go from Bob Marley to Jacob Miller tomorrow morning. You hear the tune them what job and them up here play. It's Soundfest. So I say anything can go on. Bobby. People, I'm trying to be respectful. Cause that one you know make me and broke me just love music. And me can't get crazy inside and play some tune where but I'm trying to keep it clean, but it's hard. Cause in fully loaded, you have to play a tune. Not me, not necessary. A Queens we there, you know. Big up the whole of Queens. Big up the whole of Queens. You have one rapper boy come from Queens who love cause be a trouble in our place. You see the whole heap of the sound them boy cut tune. I call up my name. Baba Candace, try find the clean version and play that one, yeah. Queens and Brooklyn right now.
Hey, what's up? Yo, it's the Kid 50 Cent. Chill with my man, Massive B, killing the sound, you heard me?
Yo, I don't know you hear 50 Cent on a Batman DJ.
Yeah, many sound.
What am I doing?
Push step upon me. Massive B, kill the sound for me. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. Niggas trying to take my life from me. I put a hole in the nigga for fucking
Yes,
with me.
Master boy.
My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch
Mister,
out when you talk about
from you know say Bunty Killer the baddest thing. Me want to be a gun and the ear from over there so to over there so. From me know the real Bunty Killer put the gun in the ear 12 o'clock. Show me down on the gunners. Begin from the gate to the New York City. We represent New York, Jamaica, all over the world. From your love where you come from, everybody inside you. Never get where we come from.
Real talks never worry about being gone. Now we listening, we don't plan. Some say we know, live down. The other say a judgment road. Live by
Yo, Fatman School, pick up yourself. All the people know you work hard for your money. Big up the people know you now depend on the boy for the money. Big up all the people know say hard work is the key to success. I don't know you not beg nobody, don't we have so